Let me take you to another adventure.
So today we're visiting somewhere close to home in the town of San Fabian, Pangasinan. Now I've been in this cafe a few times already, so I have multiple videos from my visits. So this is what it looks like before, and this is what it looks like currently. I just visited there a few days ago, and they have this cozy spot with beanbag chairs, and they have redesigned their wall, so no more painting. And they also have games and books that you can enjoy reading while chilling. And this is a go-to spot for me whenever my guys would go to do their motorcycle or get a car wash or do the laundry. I hang out here most of the time. Usually I vlog. And this is my favorite drink, the Biscoff Frap. But we also order different drinks like a mocha. This is a latte. We had this fizzy lemon soda, lemon honey soda, and this is another favorite of mine. This is the white mocha, and it's very close to the Starbucks version of white mocha, so that's why I love this drink so much. So if it's not a hot day, this is my go-to order right here, and I highly recommend this. And they also serve food as well, and I have tried different meals, but I only have a video shot of this carbonara, which is actually really good. It's on the sweeter side, to be honest, but it's actually really creamy and there are a lot of toppings on it. So I would highly recommend this as a group meal. So it's good for 2 to 3 persons. And that's it for now. Till next time. Bye.